Hello YouTube, this is Ahmad and today I'm gonna show you my very beautiful cat called Sugar. He likes to play with the ball, as you can see. Hey Sugar! So I'm gonna give him the ball. He start playing. So wait for my brother. My brother is coming. He has like something so he can make the cat play. He came here, Yusuf. You remember him? Look. He started running on it. He's meant to already. Sugar. It's so funny. Oh, look. He can make him stand. Watch. What? You saw? He can stand too. Oh, nice. So look, now it's my turn. He doesn't want to leave it. Looks like he likes it. So here he is. Sugar. Watch his tail. It's getting ready. He wants to run, I think, or jump. Woo! I told you. Now it's my turn, so... Wow! He's coming to me. So, here, 1 second. No need anymore. So just show you me and my cat. I don't know what happened to him. So I'm just gonna catch him fast. He wants to bite me. What's the problem? So watch. ياخدها عندي. لو اخدها تركت له اياها. Random ticket. So this is me and my cat Sugar. So please subscribe, comment, like. Bye.